My dearest, greeting of links and my beloved student. So today we're going to learn the factor theorem. Okay, in factor theorem, you know that when px is equal to x minus c and qx. So what does this mean? So from here, imagine like you have x power 3 minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 and divide by x minus 3. So when you do long division, and you get here is x squared minus 3x plus 2. This is just an example. Okay, and then this can also be written as x3 minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is equal to x minus 3 multiply x2 minus 3x plus 2. It is the same. Okay, so you know that this is your px, this is your x minus c, and this is your qx. Okay, so from this theorem, the factor theorem say that for a polynomial px, pc is equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor. Okay, x minus c is a factor. So imagine like this long division after you did it, and you can also write the equation like this. And let's say that you have just now x minus c, c is 3, right? So actually you can put it at the other side and give you x is equal to 3, and this is x equal to 3 you can put in the factor theorem. So imagine that x3 minus 6 x2 plus 11x minus 6. So from this equation, when you change 3 inside, 3 power 3, 6, 3 square, 11, 3 minus 6. Okay, when you use calculator and you solve this, all of this number, it gives you 0. So we can say that the x minus 3, this one is a factor, Okay, so let us do together exercise 3.3.
Number 1, exercise 3.3. So x minus 4 is a factor of x3 minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8. So this is your function of x. And from this, you can find that you equate it to 0 and you move minus 4 to the right, become x4. Okay, so you try to substitute by using factor theorem. If substitute 4 inside the function, you will get 0. So you try from the function, you try put 4 inside x. Okay, from here you will get 0. Okay, next move on to 1b. Same step, x plus 1 equals 0, x is minus 1. The function is x power 3 minus 3x minus 2. So from using factor theorem, you substitute minus 1 in x, it will give you 0. So try minus 1 power 3, 3 minus 1 minus 2. It is 0. So this is proven. It's a factor. Using factor theorem, it is a factor. Hi.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. Okay, so from here, see, this is your fx, your function. So from x minus 2, you equate it to 0 and you will get the x is 2. So from factor theorem, when you substitute x to 2, it will give 0. So substitute in fx, change x to 2. Use a calculator, it will give you 0. Okay, and then D, the last one, 3x plus 1 is 0. So bring 1 to the right, minus 1. So your x is minus 1 over 3. Okay, and then you put inside the function. Yes, we have. So this is your factor. You change it to x, you get this. And then you put inside the function. The function is this. So you put all the value, you change the value here. 3 times minus 1 over 3. When you use calculator and you plug in every of the number here, you will get 0. Okay, so number 2A, exercise 3.3. You need to find the value of A. So you can see here you have unknown A, right? Okay, so from here you know that x is minus 1. When you equate it equal to 0, you move plus 1 to the right, become minus 1. So this x minus 1, you can change inside here. Change all the value of x to minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, and this is A, and minus 1, minus, and plus 8, right? Okay. So when you solve this, you equate it to 0 because it already mentioned that it is a factor. So in clear 1, 27 minus 1 square plus A minus 1 plus 8 equals 0. Okay, so you solve each of the number, but A you left behind because you want to find the value of A. So after you solve it, you will get this one. You multiply inside, minus 1 times A minus A plus 29 equals 0. So move this to the right. You want A alone, you want A, you want to solve A, you want A as subject. So minus A is equal to minus 29. So you can remove the minus sign because both sides have minus. So A is equal to 29. This is your 2A. Move on to 2B. X plus 7 is a factor. So x plus 7 is a factor of x3 minus 5x2 minus 6x plus 8. So you change x plus 7 is equal to 0. Change the other side, become x minus 7. So put everything, change all x with minus 7. Remember to equal it with 0 plus A equals 0. Okay, so from here, you solve all of the numbers, it will give you. So you want A alone, A is 5, 4, 6. Okay, next move on to C. C is 2x plus 3 and 4x3 plus ax2 plus 29x plus 30 equals 0. So you have 2 x plus 3 equals 0, 2x equal to minus 3, x is minus 3 over 2. So you change everything to minus 3 over 2, change all the x, all x with minus 3 over 2. Okay, you will get, you you solve all the numbers that without a, it will give you minus 27. And then this part, you multiply a, it will give you a and 9 over 4 squared, right? So a times 9 over 4 is 9 over 4a minus 27 equals 0. So you want a alone, minus 27, change to the other side, become 27, 9 over 4a. A, this is multiply, this one change to the right, become divide. So 27 divide 9 over 4, you will get 12. Okay, so this is for C. So this is the value of A, this is the value of A for B, and this is the value of A for A. So move on to number 3. Number 3 say that x minus 2 is a factor of 3 plus ax squared plus bx minus 4. So change x to 2 inside this equation, give you a2 squared plus b2 minus 4 equals 0. So you solve every number. So it gives you 8 minus 4. So these two unknown become square. A times 2 square is 4a, and then this one multiply, b times 2 is 2 equals 0. Okay, you want the question asks you to express b in terms of a, so b as subject. Okay, so b as subject, you move other than b to the right. Okay, so it will become 2b is equal to minus 4a minus 4. Why minus 4? Here is 4, right? 4, 8 minus 4, 4. Change to the other side, become minus 4. Next, b is minus 4a minus 4 over 2. So, split the fraction. Will give you minus 2a minus 2. This is the final answer for this expression. Next, we move on to number 4. So x2 plus 4ax 2 plus 3x minus 10 is a factor of x3 plus ax squared plus bx plus 30. The question asks you to find the value of a and b. So this is your fx. And then from here you can find the eqn to find the true factor or value of x. So when you use eqn, it gives you x is equal to 2 and x is minus 5. Okay, so you reverse the step, it gives you x minus 2 equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0. So this 2 is your factor. Okay, this 2 is your factor. So using factor theorem, you have two value, right? So f2 equals 0 and f minus 5 equals 0. So you will have two steps to do, meaning that you need to put inside the original fx here, and you change the value to 2. Change the value of x to 2. So x is 2a 2 squared plus b. Change all x to 2. Okay. Okay, so from here you will get a plus 4a plus 2b plus 30 equals 0. So you put a and b at the left side, other than the number all to the right side. So it gives you 4a plus 2b equal minus 38. This is the first equation. So when you put minus 5, you change x, this x minus 5 in the equation. So minus 5 power 3 plus a minus 5 square plus b minus 5 plus 30 equals 0. Okay, when you solve the whole number, it will give you 25a minus 5b equal 95. Because this one I changed to the right. I put a and b at the left side and number at the right side. So this equation can be divided by 5 to make it simpler. So 5a minus b equal to 19. Okay, so you can make this equation b as a subject to solve it simultaneously and put inside 2. So b minus b is equal to 19 minus 5a. I don't want b, the subject, have minus sign, so b is equal to change all or multiply all to minus plus 5a. Okay, so this is equation 2. So simultaneously put 2 in equation 1. So 4a plus 2, b change to this, right? Minus 19 plus 5a. So this is from equation 1. Equation 1 is 4a plus 2b equal to minus 38. So minus 38a. Okay, so you already change b. You change b to the equation that you found. So expand everything, it will give you 19 times 2 is 38. So minus 38. Because this is plus, expand. When you expand or you multiply the minus, it become plus minus become minus. Plus 10a equal minus 38. So you got minus 38, right? Minus 38. So 14a is equal to plus 38. This is minus. This is minus. You bring to the right, become plus. So your a is 0. How about b? b, you put in the second equation, b minus 19 plus 5a. When a 0, so you change the a to 0, 5 0. It will give you minus 19. So for the number 4a, b a0, b is minus 19. Okay, class. We move on to 4b. 2x2 minus 11x plus 5. And then ax3 minus 17x squared plus bx minus 15. So remember, our mission is to find the value of a and the value of b. So what should we do? First step is, from this, we will find the factor, the two factor or the values of x, which is you use your EQN, your calculator, you put a 2, b minus 11, c is 5, and you will get x is 5 and x is 1 over 2. So you reverse the steps, it will give you 2 factor, which is this. Okay, so these 2 factor, by using factor theorem, this is your fx. Okay, so you will change the value of these two x inside the fx, meaning that you have f5 equals 0 and f1/2 equals 0. Okay, so you have two functions, or you have two values of x, and you need to put these two values of x inside the function fx. Okay, so from a, x3 minus 17x squared plus bx minus 15, you equate it to 0, and you change. First, here is fx equals 0, here is f1/2 equals 0. Okay, so change x to 5. Okay, so you solve the values, or the whole number can minus with whole number. A and B you put at the left side. So 1 to 5a minus 4 to 5 plus 5b minus 15 equals 0. Okay, so from here, this one and this one can solve, and you will get 1 to 5a plus 5b minus 440 equals 0. So you see, from here you can make it a simpler equation, which is divide by 5. It will give you 25a plus b. 440 divided by 5 give you 88 equals 0. So the unknown you put at the left side, and number at the right side, it gives you 25a plus b equal 88. So from here you can b is alone, you can make b alone, or you can find the equation for b, which is b is equal to 88 minus 25a. So this is the first equation. You will put in the second equation. The second equation, your x value is 1/2, and you put inside the function fx. So ax3 minus 17x squared plus bx minus 15 equals 0. So change the value of x. So a half power 3, b half minus 15 equals 0. From here you will get 1/8a minus 17/4 plus 1/2b minus 15 equals 0. Okay, so a and b you put at the left side. Number you can make it simpler, which is 1/8a plus half b minus 77/4. This is your second equation. So by using simultaneous equation, put 1 in 2. So 1/8, you can also make it like this. A and b at the left side, number at the right side. Okay, so 1/8a plus 1/2b equals 77/4. This is the second equation, right? So b, you change to this. So look at my b, I will change to 88 minus 25a equal to 77/4. Get 1/8a plus 44 minus 25/2a equals 77/4. So from here, a solve with a, so you will get minus 99/8a equal to, number you move to the right becomes 77/4 minus 44. It will give you minus 99/4, and you can solve for a now. So a is equal to minus 99/4. This is time, this is divide, minus 99/8. So a you will get 2. So after you find the value of A, you need the value of B. So when A is equal to 2, B is equal to, you put inside the B, the equation B. So put A in B. So B is equal to 88 minus 25, 2. So you will have 38 here. So A is 2, B is 38 for 4B. We move on to C. For C. For C, 4x squared minus 4x minus 15. So the function is 4x3 plus ax squared plus bx plus 30. Okay, so first step, same. From this, you can find two value of x. So 4x squared minus 4x minus 15. Use EQN to find the value. You get two value, 5 over 2, and x is equal to minus 3 over 2. You reverse the step. 2x minus 5 equals 0. 2x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so by using factor theorem, you have f52 equals 0 and f minus 3 over 2 equals 0. So you can find the value of A and B here by first substitute 5 over 2 inside the equation. So the function for x3 plus ax squared plus bx plus 30 equals 0. So you change 5 over 2 inside. 5 over 2 power 3 plus a 5 over 2. Change all x to 5 over 2. So you will have, solve it, you will have 1 to 5 over 2 plus 25 over 4a plus 5 over 2b plus 30 equals 0. So 25 over 4a plus 5 over 2b equal to minus 185 over 2. This is the first equation. So where I got minus 185 over 2, this one I plus with this one is plus. You got 185 over 2. Then you move to the right, you come minus here. You move to the other house. Okay? Next you have f minus 3 over 2 equals 0. So change change the function with minus 3 over 2. Okay, so 4 minus 3 over 2 cubed plus a minus 3 over 2 squared plus b minus 3 over 2 plus 30 equals 0. So when you solve it, you will get okay, and you put a and b at one side, whole number at the other side. We solve this one, it will give plus 33 over 2 equals 0. So just now this is the first equation. So the second equation, you need to make it a as subject. You need to make a as subject so that you can substitute the a inside number 1, equation 1. So it will give you you make a as subject, right? Other than that, you bring to the right, it become 3 over 2b minus 33 over 2. Okay, so now we want A as subject, A alone. So 3 over 2, B minus 33 over 2 divide 9 over 4. Because this is multiply, change to the right, become divide. So your A, you will have split the fraction 3 over 2B divide 9 over 4 minus 3 over 2 divide 9 over 4. From here, you will get 2 over 3B minus 22 over 3. So this is your A. This is equation 2. So just now you have equation 1 and 2, right? So now 2 put in 1. 2 put in 1. So equation 2 is equation 1 is 25 over 4a plus 5 over 2b equal to minus 185 over 2. So put a inside, so 25 over 4, 2 over 3b minus 22 over 3 plus. Now your a changed to this one. Okay, I already changed my a here. Plus 5 over 2b equal to minus 185 over 2. Then you expand the bracket. It will give you 25 over 6b minus 275 over 6 plus, copy back, 5 over 2b equal minus 185 over 2. Okay, next you solve b with b. b with b, use your calculator, it gives you 20 over 3b. Okay, and then the whole number with whole number, this one will be, if you bring to the right, will become plus. So minus 18 over 2 plus 275 over 6. We solve this whole number, it will give you minus 140 over 3, 20 over 3b. So when you use calculator, this is multiply. You divide this fraction with 20 over 3, it will give you minus 7. So you already got your value of b. Not yet finished. You need to put the minus 7 inside the second equation. When b is minus 7, this is from equation 2. So a is equal to minus 22 over 3 plus 2 over 3b, right? So now you change, to find a, you change the b with minus 7. It will give you minus 12. Okay? So for C, your b is minus 7, a is minus 12. Okay, so for number 5, given you x squared minus 5x plus 6, and fx is x3 minus 6x squared plus 11x plus 8. Okay, so from here, you will get two factors, which is, you use EQN, you will get x equal 3 and x equal 2. So you reverse the step, x minus 3 and x minus 2. This is two factors. So by using factor theorem, f3 equals 0 and f2 equals 0. So you can do substitute 3 and 2 inside the equation. So two sides, you can do two sides like this. So fx is, now x you change to 3, right? So this is 3 is x. So 3 minus 6, 3 square plus 11, 3 plus 9. Sorry, plus a. Okay, you want to find the value of a. So you solve this part using calculator. It gives you 27 minus 54 plus 33 plus 8. Don't forget to equal it to 0. Okay, and then you will get your 6 plus a equals 0. You want a as subject, move 6 to the right, become minus 6. Okay, if you substitute 2 inside the equation, inside fx, you will get the same answer. Okay, 2 power 3 minus 6, 2 square plus 11, 2 plus a equals 0. And then minus 6 plus a is equal 0. Sorry, plus 6 plus a equals 0. When you solve this, you will get 6. And then you bring 6 to the right, it gives you minus 6. Okay, so your possible value of a is minus 6. Okay, let's move on to number 6. X minus 2 is a common factor of 3x power 3 minus a minus b x minus 8 and x3 minus a plus b x plus 30. And question asks you to find value of a and value of b. So from here, we already have common factor which is x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal 0, x is 2. Okay, so we know you can put this x equal 2 inside both functions. Now you have 2 fx, this is fx. 1, you can say that x1 and f function 1, and this is the other function, you can name it as gx. Fx and gx. Okay, so same using factor theorem. F2 is equal 0. Okay, so 3x3, the first function fx is equal 0, right? So put f2 equals 0. So you put 2 inside the first function, which is this one. Okay, so 3x3 minus a minus b x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, put x to 2. Change or substitute x to 2. Minus a minus b, 2 minus 8 equals 0. Okay, then you solve number with number. This one and this one can be solved. You will get 24 minus 8 minus a minus b, 2 equals 0. Okay, so here you will have 16 minus a minus b, 2 equals 0. And then you move the number to the right, become minus 16. This is plus 16, move to the right, become minus 16. So minus a minus b, 2. This 2 you can, this is multiply. Multiply, you bring to the right, become divide. You can bring the minus 2 together. So it will become a minus b minus 16 divide minus 2. So your a minus b is 8. So this is the first equation. So you can see here you have 2 variables a and b. In order to solve this, you will do simultaneous again, because you have 2 unknown. Okay, next, you already substitute 2 inside the function fx. Now you have another function with gx. So gx is equal to 0. So gx, you put 2 inside the second function. So x3 minus a plus b x plus 30 is your gx. Okay, now g2 meaning you change your x to 2. Okay, next you solve the numbers. So the numbers will give you 8. Okay, so 8 plus 30 is 38. Same step with just now. So 38 you bring to the right, become minus 38, a plus b. Okay, so this is multiply 2, you bring 2 to the right, become divide 2. You can straight away bring minus sign together. So a plus b, your a plus b is 19, is the second equation. So you can use, in order to solve these two equations, you can use elimination method or by using subtraction. So you minus the first equation to the second equation. So you have two equations, right? You minus the first equation to the second equation. And it gives you, when you minus a, 0, minus b, minus plus b. You get minus b, which is minus 2b. So here is minus 2b equal 8 minus 19 is minus 11. So here is minus 11. So you can straight away find your b here. B is equal to minus 11. This is multiply, right? Bring to the right, become divide, which is 11 over 2 or 5.5. Next, you wanna find your a. Now you only have b. You wanna find what is a. So by taking the first equation, using first equation, a minus b equal 8. So you substitute your b here, and you will get your a, which is, you bring this to the right, become plus, which is 13.5. So this is the answer for number 6. Okay, we now move on to number 7. 7a. So x minus 3 and 2x minus 1 are factors of the function 2x3 minus bx squared minus 2qx plus q. And you want to find the value of e. So same steps. First step is you find the factor and you equate it to 0. So 1 you bring to the right, become 1, 2x, positive 1. Okay, now this is multiply. You want x alone, it will become half. Okay, so this is two factors by using factor theorem. f3 equals 0 and f half equals 0. Okay, so the function you change the x in the function to 3. So 3 minus b3 square minus 2q3 plus q equals 0. So you solve the number part. So 54, you solve everything, minus 3p minus 6q plus q equals 0. Then you notice here q and q is like term. You can add up together. It will give you 54 minus 9p. Oh, sorry, here is 9p square here. 9p minus 9p minus 5q equals 0. Okay, then you rearrange number at the right side and the unknown at the left side. So 9 minus 9p minus 5q equal minus 54. So you can see all here minus, right? You can times with minus. So it will be 9p plus 5q equal 54. This is the first equation. So from the second factor, you can find the second equation. You want to find the value of p and q, the only way is to do simultaneous. So substitute 2 half. F half is equal 0, right? Okay, so substitute 2 half, 3 minus p half square minus 2q half plus q equals 0. And then you solve everything. It will give you this one and this one cut. Can multiply already. Equals 0. So this one will be 0. And then you will have minus 1 over 4p equal to minus 1 over 4. So your P is, this is multiply, you bring 1 over 4 to the right, become divide minus 1 over 4. So use your calculator to find the value is 1. And then you already have your P1. The next step is finding Q. So you can take either equation 1 or equation 2 to substitute. So P1 by taking the first equation. So 9p plus 5q equals 54. You change your p to 1. Okay, so 9p plus 5q equals 54. 9. My bad. 9. So you want to find the value of q, right? Move this to the right. 54 minus 9. So your q will be 45. 45 divide 5. And you got 9 here. So you already got your value of q and p. So this value q and p, you can change q and p to the original equation here, which is 2x3. P, you change p. P is 1, right? 1x squared minus q is 9. So 2 times 9x plus q just now is also 9. Okay, so you change the PQ, the number into the PQ you already solved just now. The two value you put inside the equation. It gives you 2x3 minus x squared minus 18x plus 9. This is the equation, the new equation after you key in the value that you just found. Okay, so from here, for 7b asking for why x plus 3 is also a expression. X plus 3 is a factor also. How we need to explain why. So we try to put this factor, if it gets 0 inside the function, meaning it's a factor. If this f minus 3 equals 0, then x plus 3, this one, is a factor. So we try to put, just now we already have the new equation, fx is equal to 2x3 minus x squared minus 18x plus 9. After you putting the pq value, this is the new equation, we try to put x minus 3 inside. So if x minus 3 is equal to 0, so 2 minus 3 square minus 3 square plus 18 minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, meaning it is a factor. So when you count this in your calculator, it gives you 0. So x plus 3 is a factor of the equation 2x3 minus x squared minus 8x plus 9. So this one, x plus 3 is a factor of the fx, because you get 0 here when you count using your calculator. Okay, so this is 7a and b.
So let's try number 8. X plus a is a factor of x3 plus 8x squared plus 4ax minus 3a. So this question says that x plus a is a factor. So same step, is equal to minus a. We do it equals 0. Okay, then we bring a to the right, become minus a. Okay, and then we need to show, we try to put the minus a inside the function. So fx is this one. Okay, put f minus a equals 0 because it is a factor. Mentioned already is a factor. So you change minus a inside the equation. So x3 plus 8 x squared, this is your function, right? Then you change your x to minus a, x to minus a. Change x to minus a, it gives you minus a power 3 minus a square, and then here got minus a equals 0. When you calculate this, it gives you minus a 3. This, how you get minus a is because minus a multiplied from here time minus a time minus a, right? So this is minus time minus become plus, and then plus time minus become minus. So you have power 3 here. Okay, how about this? This is minus a time minus a. So minus minus plus a square. So it will give you, here got 8, so plus 8a square. This one is minus and plus, minus plus minus 4a square minus 3a equals 0. Okay, then this is like term, you can solve it. So minus a3 plus 4a square minus 3a equals 0. So this is minus, right? So you can times it with minus to make a positive. The front a here positive. So a3 minus 4a square plus 3a equals 0. So the minus sign you need to multiply with every term. So all term changing sign. So this is shown. Okay. Next for B. Find the possible value of a. So a3 minus 4a square plus 3a equals 0. First you factor out a. So you can use EQN later. Okay. So by using EQN, you will get a still outside here. You will get a is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. And then your one more a is 0. Why? Okay, look at here. You get these two from calculator when you put your EQN this as A, B, C, right? Okay, so you will get A, reverse the step, it gives you A minus 1 equals 0, right? Then you put inside bracket. But remember just now you got factor out A, so this A is actually A is equal 0. A is equal 0. Okay? Because you already factor out 1A outside. So this is the 3 value. Possible value of A. Okay? Thank you so much for your attention.